Logan, you like your corn? Corn on the cob. Is that yummy? Uh-oh. You dropped it. There it is. You like your corn on the cob? Daddy home. Who's home? Who's home, Logan? Who's home? Is Daddy home? Daddy's home. Daddy home. Daddy's home. Corn on the cob is yummy. Daddy home. You're just gonna keep eating your corn on the cob? Yummy. Is that yummy? Uh-oh, you dropped it again. You dropped your corn. Pick it up. Where's your corn? Where's your corn? Oh, who's that? Is that Daddy? Is Daddy home? Daddy home?
What are you doing?
Put a potato down on this thing. He just grabbed the corn and hasn't let it go. Let's see. Where's your corn? Oh. Is that yummy corn? Yummy corn. Yummy corn. That's funny. Oh.